We'll guide you through how to make watercolor effect in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by accessing the Photopea website in Google Chrome and make sure your device is connected to the internet before continuing. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut and wait for Google Chrome to fully open. Hover your cursor over the search bar, tap it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Once the search is complete, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. You will then be redirected to the Photopea homepage, where you can begin preparing your project. Before starting editing, prepare the files you want to use for the watercolor effect. Then, click the New Project option and select an available template that suits your needs. Set the background color to white, then click the Create button to start editing. On the editing page, insert the prepared file. Go to the File menu options and select Open and Place. Browse to the location where your file is saved and double-click to access it. Resize and reposition your image first so it fits the canvas properly. After that, convert the layer into a smart object. Go to the Filter menu option, then open the Filter gallery. Select Dry Brush and apply the required settings. Click OK to save your changes. Next, go back to the Filter gallery from the Filter menu. Use the cutout effect and apply the specified settings again. Then, double-click on the settings icon for that effect and change the blending mode to pin light. After making that adjustment, go to the Filter menu again and select Find Edges from the Stylize menu. Double-click on the settings icon again and change the blending mode to Overlay. Lower the opacity to 50% to soften the effect. Add a vector mask and press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Use the Watercolor Basics brush for the painting stage. Download the brush from 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 and import it into Photopea. Change the brush mode to the watercolor brush with the code 2277. Reduce the brush size to fit your canvas and image. Continue refining brush strokes carefully until textures appear natural and balanced across the image. Finally, brush over the canvas until you achieve the desired watercolor appearance and overall artistic result. You have now learned how to make a watercolor effect in Photopea.